There is a very old name in Irish for the harvest season. Many of you will know this time as Lunasa, but a more ancient name for it is Bron Trogan. Bron Trogan means the earth sorrows. It is a time when the earth undergoes labour pains to deliver its rich and abundant harvest. In Tuchmark Emere, the wooing of Emer by Cuchulainn, it is described thus: Bron Trogan, that is Lunasa, the beginning of autumn. It is then the earth is sorrowing, that is earth under fruit. Trogan is another name for earth. The celebration of the harvest is most joyful at Lunasa, an old cross-quarter calendar festival dating to antiquity. It is said that the Tuatha De Danann deity Lugh Lámhfada initiated the Éanach of Teltown in honour of his foster mother Taillte, and this time between summer solstice and autumn equinox was a major harvest celebration in many parts of Ireland, even until recent times. Éanach sites were said to have seen great gatherings, involving funeral games in honour of the goddess, political ceremonies, trade, and of course drinking and celebration. But Bron Trogan has a distinct sadness to it. After the harvest and the celebrations, the earth returns to a barren, growthless state. The crops are gone. The grass, which grows abundantly during the summer, ceases its seemingly assiduous stretch towards the sky. The stubble in the fields and the ploughed soil are all that remains of what was, only weeks before, a lush crop. The sun stoops, its light ever ebbing as the days shorten and the air cools. Walking on the plough soil, we know that winter is coming. And we hope that the harvest has been good enough to see us through it. Bron Trogan, the sadness of the earth. The earth sorrows.